element of this project that I've enjoyed the most has been kind of rediscovering the structure of the house. By removing some of the plaster and the wood and seeing the original construction of the house, we've been able to kind of rediscover the original story of the builder.
I enjoyed getting to learn about the history of the place that I was born and raised in. I thought it was interesting when we were climbing through the attic and just seeing how they have a lot of voids that you wouldn't see or you wouldn't think was there. Yeah, I definitely feel like I was one of the few in there, other than the original home builder.
One of the more significant challenges that we faced as a team in this project was the removal and storing of some of the bigger light fixtures like the chandeliers. We had to remove them in a safe way. Some of them are heavy, some of them are delicate, so we had to kind of think of unique ways for each fixture of how to bring them down and store them. Oftentimes it was just nerve-wracking picking up the chandelier and then lowering it, and watching it move in free space was a bit exciting, but we got through it very successfully.
I think the most challenging thing was, we use these long drill bits, they're called flex bits, and it's just to help get through the studs in the walls and the ceilings. And it was a challenge to keep them straight and keep them from coming out of those walls. Or we had to be careful with all the paintings, the walls, the couches, everything like that. And coming from a normal construction site where we're super used to just running and gunning and getting everything done and throwing conduit up, throwing wire in, that was a little bit challenging.
I'm very much looking forward to coming back and seeing the project through.
I'm just looking forward to seeing the finished product, whenever the chandeliers and all the lights get hung, and I think it'll look fantastic.